How's it going right there, eh? It's Denis here from Denis Lozy Outdoors. Back up at the woodlot, out on the lake fishing today. The wife and I were up here. Actually came up yesterday and we spent the night up in the shack. And went out, we fished all day. Well, not all day, we fished yesterday evening and part of today. Done pretty good. We probably caught anywhere from around 6 speckled trout today. Actually, we released all of them. We're just about going to head home, so we thought we'd zip out for a little bit. Well, there's a couple of ospreys actually flying around over there. I don't know if this will pick it up or not. Yeah, so we thought we'd take another little troll around through the lake a couple of times before we head back, and maybe make a video. Anyhow, that's the right over there. That's the new lot that we just purchased. It on this end of the lake, there's probably 10 acres, and then behind me it runs all the way across the lake on the slash, and there's 40 acres, 42 acres behind us. There's actually only three people that are, this is a private lake, there's only 3 of us that own the whole lake, which is actually kind of nice. Now I'm just making a turn here, and if we catch anything, I'll turn you back on here. Stand by. So you just hooked on to another one. See, the wind's picked up a little bit. Alright, we're going to troll again for a little while longer. Stand by. We are trolling by the woodlot, or by the cabin site rather. There it is. There. Or the future Offrey cabin. There's the mountain. Alright, so we're gonna shut this down. I'm actually heading back to the woodlot, or to the cabin site, and I think in total today we probably landed 6 speckles, lost probably 3. Yeah, so it's actually not a bad day. It's starting to get late in the day, and we're actually going to head out there now and head home. So yeah, awesome day today, nice and relaxing, calm day. It was nice and sunny. Actually, I've seen a lot of birds flying in, a lot of ducks, a lot of geese. Nice and quiet. Like I was saying, there's nobody else out here, just the 2 of us. And yeah, it was nice. So if you could, like, share, subscribe, comment, smash the thumbs up. It doesn't cost you anything. That's the end there, right?